Hello friends, today I will taught you how to solve exercise 7.1 of coordinate geometry for class 10. Come on, crack the questions. Exercise 7.1. Question number first is find the distance between the following pairs of points. It is given 2, 3 and 4, 1. Let A 2, 3 and B it is given 4, 1. Okay. Now you know using distance formula AB equals, what was the distance formula? It was x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So it will be 4 minus 2 square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. So it is 2 square is 4 plus minus 2 square, that is also 4. So it is under root 8 or it is 2 root 2. So you can say it is 2 root 2 units. Okay. Now the second part is minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. So again using distance formula, and first write let A is minus 5, 7 and B is your minus 1, 3. Okay, then using distance formula, AB equals under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay. Now see, x2 is your minus 1, minus minus is plus, so plus 5 square plus y2 is your 3, 3 minus 7 square. Okay. 5 minus 1 it is 4, 4 square is 16 plus 3 minus 7 is minus 4 square is 16. So it will be under root 32 or you can write it as 4 root 2 units. Okay. Now the third part is AB. Let A is your A and B and B be your minus A minus B. Okay, so using distance formula, you want to find out the distance. Okay, distance AB. So that is your under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, so here x2 is your minus A, then x1 is your A minus A square plus y2 is your minus B, then minus y1 is your B square. So it will be under root minus A is minus 2A square plus minus B is minus 2B square, or you can write under root minus 2A square whole square is minus is plus, 2 square is 4, so it will be 4A square plus it will be 4B square. or you can write it as, take 4 to be common over here, a square plus b square, or you can say 2 under root a square plus b square. Okay, so in this way you can solve it. Now question number second is, find the distance between the points. The points are given, that is 0, 0 and 36, 15. Okay, can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2? That is the distance given in your book, that is for the towns, it is given the same, that is 36 and 15. Okay, so we want to find out the distance. Now take this point to be A, as down A or B. Then using distance formula, so you can write AB equals under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, now it is given 36 minus 0 square plus it is 15 minus 0 square. Okay, so it will be under root 36 square, first write 36 whole square plus 15 whole square. So just multiply it, 36 into 36, it is 1296 plus 15 into 15 is 225. So just add it and you will be getting, okay, just add it, so it is the, so it will be your 39 units. Just take out the under root of 1521. Okay, so in this way you can solve, and the answer for these two towns A and B discussed, it is the same. In the book it is given like this, that is one this side distance is 36 kilometer, and here like this it is given 15 kilometer. Okay, and so you have to find out the distance. So from here, and this will be 0, 0 origin, and this point will be your 36 and 15. So the answer will be same. You have to do like this only for the second part also. Now question number third is, determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. So first of all you should know 3 points are given. Okay, suppose the points are A, B, C. Okay, now when you can say that these points are collinear, if AB plus BC equal AC, then you can say they are collinear. Okay, so your points are 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11. Now just calculate. Now using distance formula, that is AB is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So it will be AB. So it is 2 minus 1 square plus 3 minus 5 square. So it will be 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 square is 1 plus 3 minus 5 is -2, -2 square is 4. So it is under root 5. Okay, now BC. BCA will be, now BC is -2 square plus -11 minus 3 square. Okay, so minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 square is 16 plus minus 11 and minus 3, that is it is minus 14, and minus 14 square it is 196. So it will be under root it will be 212. Okay, it is 2 under root 53. Okay, now BC AC. Now calculate AC. It will be AC will be minus 2 minus 1 square plus minus 11 minus 5 whole square. So it will be minus 3 whole square 9 plus it is minus 16 whole square, it is 256. So it will be, just add it, it is 265, or you can write it as 265. Just do the factors for it. So you can write 5 into, it will be under root 5 into 53. Means these sides you can see AB is root 5, here BC is 2 under root 53, and it is also different. The three sides are different, and if you are adding AB plus BC, okay, it can't come AC, it is not satisfying. Okay, you can say AB plus BC is not equal to AC. Yes, so points are not collinear. Okay, so in this way you can do it. Now the fourth question is, check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Okay, so 3 points are given. Okay, 3 points are given, that is 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2. And you should know what a isosceles triangle, that is two sides should be equal. Okay, so you will be calculating the sides. So first write, let A be 5 minus 2, B is your 6, 4 and C is your 7 minus 2. So first calculate AB using distance formula. So it will be 6 minus 5 square plus 4 minus is plus 2 square. So it will be 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 square is 1 plus 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 square is 36. So it is under root 37. Okay. Now after this find AC. AC, then it is 7 minus 5 square plus minus 2 minus is plus 2 square. Okay, so it is here 7 minus 5 is 2, 2 square is 4. So 4 plus minus 2 plus 2 0. So it will be under root 4 is, it is 2. Yes. Now after this AC is there, AB is there. Now calculate BC. So for BC, 7 minus 6 square plus minus 2 minus 4 square. So it will be 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 square is 1 plus minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6, then minus 6 square is 36. So it is under root 37. Now you can see this AB and BC, they are equal. Yes, two sides AB equal to BC, so you can say that they are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So you can say triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So in this way you can do it. Now question number 5th is, in a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, C and D. Okay, here these friends are, the seating arrangement is like this. Okay, as shown in figure 7.8, Champa and Chameli walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, okay, they went into the class, and after a few minutes what happened? Champa asks Chameli, don't you think ABCD is a square? That our seating arrangement is just in a square formation. Chameli disagrees. Chameli said, no, using distance formula, find which of them is correct. So you have to use the distance formula and you have to tell which one is correct. Okay. Now, first you will be writing the points by seeing from here. The points of A, it is 3 and 3, 4. For B, it will be, B is at 6, 7. Then C, it is 9, 4. Then D point is your 6, 1. Okay. First write the coordinates. First write the points of ABCD. Now what we will be doing? Just calculate all the sides. Okay, if they are equal and if these two diagonals are equal, then we can say it is a square. Okay, so just write so see the figure in the book. Now points given are, A is your A was given 3, 4, B was given your 6, 7 and C was given to be 9, 4 and D is your 6, 1. Okay, now we want to find out the 4 sides. Okay, so first find out AB and using the distance formula, that is your x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So it will be, now AB, that is 6 minus 3 square plus 7 minus 4 square. It will be 3 square, 6 minus 3 square is 9, 9 plus 7 minus 4 is 3, 3 square is 9. So it is under root 18. Or you can say it is 3 root 2. Okay. After this, find out that is BC. BC is under root. So it will be, BC is 9 minus 6 square plus 4 minus 7 square. So it will be 3 square is 9 plus 7 minus 4 minus 7. So it will be minus 3. Minus 3 square is 9. So it is under root 18 and it is your 3. Then after AB, BC, then CD, it will be 6 minus 9 square plus 1 minus 4 square. So it will be 6 minus 9 is your minus 3 square is 9 plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3 square is 9. So it is under root 18 and it equals 3 root 2. Then after CD it is DA. DA equals under root. Now write for DA, it will be 3 minus 6 square plus 4 minus 1 square. So it is 3 minus 6 is minus 3 minus 3 square is 9. 9 plus 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. So it is under root 80 and you can write it as 3 root 2. Okay. Now all the sides are coming to be equal. Okay. Sides are equal for the square. Now check for the diagonals also. So your diagonals will be AC and BD. So for diagonals, we will check, that is AC, it will be under root, that is AC is 9 minus 3 square plus 4 minus 4 square. So it will be 9 minus 3 is 6, 6 square is 36. Yes. So 36 plus 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 square. So it is under root 36, it is 6. Okay. Now after AC it is BD. Under root, it will be 6 minus 6 square plus it will be BD. It is 1 minus 7 square. So it will be 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 plus minus 6 square, it will be 36. So under root 36 is your 6. So your diagonals are also coming equal. So you can say, since AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, all sides are equal, AC equal to BD, that is diagonals are equal. Okay, so you can say your ABCD is a square. Is a square. So who was correct? You can say, and Champa is correct. Champa is correct. Okay. So in this way you can solve it. Okay. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy learning with Bhavna.